Commander-in-Chief, His Excellency President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., Secretary of National Defense, Defense Secretary Gilbert C. Teodoro Jr., Chief of Staff AAP, General Romeo S. Browner Jr., Philippine Army, Commander, Army Reserve Command, Major General Romulo E. Manuel, Reserve Philippine Army, Commanding General Philippine Army, Lieutenant General Roy M. Galido, Philippine Army, Group Commander 7RCDG, Reserve Command, Philippine Army, Colonel Edgar G. Mangabay, Infantry SGC GSC, Reserve Command, 702nd CDC Director Major Larry Indozo, Infantry Reserve Command, Municipal Mayor Honorable Mayor Roberto C. Cajes, School Administrator Judith Del Rosario Cajes. Balik sa ko sa one. Sa Municipal Mayor Honorable Attorney Roberto C. Cajes, PhD. Sa School Administrator Judith Del Rosario Cajes. Then Commandant Lieutenant Colonel Lucilio Q. Bitinol, Infantry Philippine Army. Second Assistant Commandant Agapito C. Kambangay, Reserve Philippine Army. Admin NCO Corporal Arnold F. Aming, Infantry Reserve Infantry Philippine Army. Sa training staff, Second Lieutenant Felix Q. Garcia Jr., Reserve Philippine Army. Second Lieutenant Lieutenant Colonel Alvin G. Lofranco, Reserve Army. O Second Lieutenant Reggie B. Abad, Reserve Philippine Army. O Sergeant Jusel E. Saison, Reserve Philippine Army. Sergeant Mark John L. Tabada, Reserve Philippine Army. Reserve Philippine Army. Sunod, Private Peter Jason L. Campo, Reserve Philippine Army. Private Rizalin B. Ortega, Private Rizalin B. Ortega, Reserve Philippine Army. Private Kevin Van Eric E. Kimson, Reserve Philippine Army. Private Maria Angeli B. Almereda, Reserve Philippine Army. Private Ricami Q. Baliser. Private Ricami Q. Baliser, Reserve Philippine Army. Sa napunta sa Corps and Staff, Cadet Colonel, Corps Commander, Cadet Colonel John Michael C. Paulines, First Class. John Michael C. Paulines, First Class. Then S1 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Mark O. Magalona, First Class. O S2 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Luigi B. Balaba, First Class. S3 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Marlene Angeline B. Umbayan, First Class. S4 Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Marlene E. Estorgio, First Class. CMO Officer, Cadet Lieutenant Jane B. Bupe, First Class. Company Commander, Cadet Major og sa ari na lang ko sa kalimot ko sa Company Commander XO ko, nakalimot ko sa na lang ko sa Platoon Leader, Cadet Major MJ Birador.